बहुत अगर बहुत अगर
इसलिए मिला नहीं तेरे को। Hey guys, it's Modic here, and today we're gonna do a detailed PUBG review of the Moto One Fusion Plus. I've been testing this phone for more than a week now, and I was actually playing on this phone as well as on the Poco X2 and the Realme 6 Pro so that I can get a perspective about how this phone performs in PUBG with respect to the competition. If you don't know, the Moto One Fusion Plus gets the Snapdragon 730G, and by default it only plays the game on Smooth Plus Ultra. But in this video, we're going to play it on Smooth Plus Ultra, and then later on I'll also use GFX tool to play it on Smooth Plus Extreme so that you guys can get the idea about how this phone performs. So we're going to do everything in this video. I'm going to give you live FPS data. We'll also see an FPS graph. I'll talk to you about the battery drain as well as the temperatures of the Moto One Fusion Plus. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. But if you're watching my channel for the first time, you know what to do. Press the red subscribe button and press the bell icon. So now here we are with the Moto One Fusion Plus, and here first of all we're going to play the game on Smooth Plus Ultra. In some of the clips you will see the hand cam footage as well, and I would like to tell you that all of this gameplay has not been recorded on the phone, so it is not affecting the performance whatsoever. I have connected my phone to my PC and I'm using a setup to record all of the gameplay, and that doesn't affect the performance of the phone. A tutorial about that is also coming very soon, but as of now let's just focus on the PUBG performance of the Moto One Fusion Plus. So here, as you can see on Smooth Plus Ultra, which is the default settings, the phone majorly runs the game between 35 to 40 FPS. There are certain situations in which the frame rate drops below 35, goes to 31, 32. Then that happens sometimes when you're in a very intense situation or you're doing a hot drop. I've also seen the frame rate go to 29 or 28 once while I was testing the game, but then this is not exclusive only to the Moto One Fusion Plus. While I tested my Poco X2 and the Realme 6 Pro, there was an instant or two where the frame rate went below 30. But if you look at the overall gameplay, the frame rate stays between 35 to 40, and you guys can figure it out from the game now. ए बंदा देखा
हाँ जा लेफ्ट
गाड़ी में गाड़ी बगी में ले घुमा ले। डालू के नहीं छोड़ा, नहीं डालने का,
हो डाला तुम मेरे को देना लेना।
ओहो
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 भाई उधर नॉक है, उधर दो नॉक है उसके, दो नॉक है।
ए यार शिट, जल्दी रिवाइव, मैंने रिलोड नहीं किया है
भाई। आया बंदा
भाई।
अरे भाई क्या कर रहे हैं?
अरे कोई तो रिवाइव हो रहा है।
अरे पहले मैंने किया। अच्छा चलेगा।
डीपी रिलोडेड का अच्छा है।
मैं क्या क्यों मारा, मैं 15 गोली भी बिगाड़ दिया। आइला उसको डैमेज हो
भाई मेरे पास तो हेल्थ भी नहीं है, क्या फालतू का जा रहा हूँ मैं। वेरी गुड। अच्छा छोड़।
अरे यार मैं क्या मस्त खेल लिया। एक बचा है।
अरे यार ये पुश किया, पीछे से आया
पता नहीं ये पुश करेगा अब, कोई नहीं। हाँ फाइनली आराम साला।
एक और है
साला 20 जमीन किल ले लिया
मेरे को।
अरे यार किसी को
UMP से नहीं खेलना है मेरे को
भाई, हेल्थ ही नहीं है।
ये पूरा स्क्वाड है और एक वो रहने में तो रहा।
पता अरे रे चलेगा वो उसके बंदे को रिवाइव करेगा।
आजा निवेद पीछे
तू जा उधर। अच्छा तू जा, वो जा।
क्या खेल रहे हो?
Now we are playing the game with GFX tool on. So basically GFX tool unlocks extreme FPS, which is up to 60 FPS, And as you can see, the phone can play the game at 60 FPS. In fact, it stays between 50 to 60 for a lot of time when you're not doing much in the game. As soon as you have enemies around, or you're doing a hot drop, or you're in a car and you're pushing towards another enemy or a squad, you will see the frame rate drop. As you can see, the frame rate drops to the 40s majority of the times when a very intense situation is going on. Now, the tier that I was in is in a high tier. Most of the people that I play with are either crown or ace, so because of that the tier is high, so you get more higher level players in the game and lesser bots. So maybe because of that, but majority of, if you're a casual player, you will see frame rates between 50 to 60. But if you do hot drops, you push towards the squads and you rush towards the squads, then the frame rates will be around 40s, and in some very intense situations it can go below 40.
सब गए क्या?
नहीं एक ही अच्छा नहीं नॉक बंदा है
अरे वाह मचा दिए तुम लोग तो
उफ यार
भाई मेरे को बचाओ कोई।
मेरे को
बुलेट कम हो गया पर अब
मेरे को 40 तक
टीपी वाला बंदा है।
गया 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 भाई
नहीं भाई
बहुत डैमेज किया है।
गया
घंटा बॉट बोला तेरे को नहीं।
अरे निमित तेरा रिकॉर्डिंग
क्या बोल रहा है?
चलो एक
तेरा
बंदा
आ रहा है कोई आ रहा है
भाई क्या
कोई
गेम
आ
हो
रहा
रहा
है
है प्लीज
काफी
इस
काफी
मिड
पुश
कंटेनर
मैं 3 लोग को नॉक किया है मैं
मार
क्या लिया?
सब गए सब गए
सब
सब
गए।
गए अमेजिंग
भाई अमेजिंग टेरेस पे टपक है
हाँ, हो रहा। हाँ ये इधर के बिल्डिंग में। हेलो हेलो।
हाँ आ रहा बस
अरे यार मैं म्यूट पे था, मैं कब से चिल्ला रहा हूँ यार भी नहीं। मेरे को पता एक तो
एक-
फिक्स था, फिर निमित के लिए बहुत
ये स्क्वाड है पूरा भगा 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 ये नहीं ऐसे नहीं
वरुण अंदर बैठ अंदर बैठ अंदर बैठ अंदर बैठ अंदर बैठ ये लैग की वजह से अटका बे मेरा
यार मेरा हेल्थ नहीं है गाड़ी का भी हेल्थ नहीं है
अरे पहुंच गया
गेम
ना,
ओवर हो
बस
जाएगा।
कोई नहीं होगा। नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा। इधर चले जाओ, अंदर बैठ जाओ उसके लिए।
खत्म होने मेरे पर द प्रॉब्लम इज ये
गाड़ी लेके निकल गया, गाड़ी लेके निकल गया। चल 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 आगे जा,
उसमें
राइट
चलाते
ले।
ना
राइट
हाँ आगे जा, राइट ले।
पेट्रोल भर गाड़ी में
बंदा सो रहा है इधर, बंदा सो रहा है पीछे।
प्रोवाइडेड उनका डालते हैं उनका डालते हैं
ओहो
मजा आ गया
क्या
रुक रुक मैं कवर में हूं
रुका वो रुके रुके वो लोग आ रहे हैं। दो नॉक दो नॉक दो नॉक
3 नॉक
चल पुश कर देते हैं खत्म कर देते हैं
चल चल
संभल के।
नीड फेंका है मैंने
हो गया निमित
So as we saw, the Moto One Fusion Plus performs pretty good when it comes to PUBG. If I compare this to the Poco X2 and the Realme 6 Pro, I feel more or less the gameplay has been the same on all of these phones. It's just that with the Realme 6 Pro, I noticed that it was slightly better than the other two phones. But then overall, if you play a couple of games, more or less the frame rates are the same on all of them. And I don't think you will have any problems with the Moto One Fusion Plus when it comes to PUBG. My only gripe with this phone is that it does not have those game booster features that Realme 6 Pro and the Poco X2 have. For example, you cannot record gameplay here. You will have to download a third-party recorder, whereas the Realme 6 Pro and the Poco X2 have it built in. So these are some little things. So because of that, if you are gonna ask me for a recommendation for a PUBG phone, I would suggest you to go with Poco X2 or Realme 6 Pro. But Moto One Fusion Plus on its own performs well in PUBG. If I talk about the battery drain or the temperature check, battery drain was around 15% without GFX tool and 20% with GFX tool. And if I talk about the temperatures were quite impressive on this phone. Without GFX tool, this phone could actually go to temperatures of up to 42 to 42.5 degrees. And with GFX tool and after gaming for like an hour, the maximum temperature that I saw was around 44 to 44.5 degrees. So the temperatures are not a big deal on the Moto One Fusion Plus, and overall the gameplay was good on the phone. So if you're thinking how does this phone perform, then you know how this phone performs. We've done a detailed analysis in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you guys have any other thoughts about this phone, then please let me know in the comments. What did you guys think about the PUBG gameplay on this phone? And are you planning to buy the Moto One Fusion or not? Let me know in the comments. A lot of other videos are coming about this phone and a lot of other devices as well. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friends. And in case you did not like it, press the dislike button twice. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna be back in the notifications very, very soon. Peace.